Hi crew, today you're going to need your bird book. So if you look in the camera at the bottom right corner, you're going to need your bird book. And if you look on my screen, we're going to be doing a close read of the story Rain School. So if you have not listened to the story, you're going to want to look at yesterday's lesson so that you can listen to the story. By doing our close read today, we are going to be answering questions or we're going to be finding details to support the lesson, message, or the moral in the story. So let me make my webcam bigger right now. Okay, so you're going to have to turn to page 8 in your bird book. We're going to be doing a close read. This is a note catcher of the story Rain School. If you look in the dark blue part, sorry, my camera is blurry. I can't seem to get it to focus anymore. But the lesson in the story says, when working to overcome challenges, we can learn new things. So we're going to read page 5 and 6 in our Rain School story. And I know you guys do not have the book at home, but I have the book here, so I'll show it to you. On page 5, it says, Tomas arrives at the schoolyard, but there are no classrooms, there are no desks. So more from the story from yesterday. It doesn't matter. There's a teacher. We will build our school, she says. This is the first lesson. And you'll see that she has her supplies down here. Okay, so remember our lesson from the story is when we're working to overcome our challenge. So remember Tomas's challenge is that there's no school. How can they learn new things to help them overcome their challenge? So on pages 5 and 6, what does the teacher tell them? Perfect. If you said the teacher tells them that they will build a school, and that's going to be the first lesson, you're correct. So in this first box here, we're going to write the teacher tells the students that they will build their school, period. Okay, I'm going to try to get this to be less blurry for you guys. So the teacher tells the students that they will build their school. Now remember, because this is a film lesson, you can always pause the video if you need to finish writing. Okay, so here's our detail from the text. We took it straight from Rain School. On the right-hand side, the question says, how does it help communicate the lesson, message, or moral? Okay, so when the teacher calls this building their school as their first lesson, the teacher is explaining that they're going to learn something. So we're going to be writing that down. The teacher calls it a lesson. So it explains that they will learn something.